Hello, this is day number, I don't know. It's so hot. It's so unbelievably hot. I've got my Tenzing. I've just got out the shower, because I'm sweating buckets. Been working with my uncle. But we've got some good news. So today is the first day that we're trading, or potentially trading with the funded, which is some really, really good news. At the moment, I think Nasdaq's at all-time highs, which, yeah, we're literally sat at the level. I want to rename this. Whereas we're nowhere near on ES. But yeah, so today's the first potential day of trading with the funded. As you can see, I think we're just going to be chilling at all-time highs. Because if you think of all-time highs as like a resting order, like I'm sure a lot of people that trade, or hedge funders that trade the Nasdaq, will have like TP set there. Look at how wet my hair is. I didn't bother to dry it because of market. So it's not greasy. It's the opposite. All right. But yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what the crack is when something happens. We've got no news today, so no news Monday. We've got NFP on Thursday. I think it's Thursday. And yeah, that's it. Okay. I genuinely think I might not trade today. I hope to God, future George, you don't fucking just take a trade because it's your funded. Like, I'm not itching to trade it. I'm not. My psychology's good, unlike some people. Definitely not aimed at Matty Dixon. Matty Dixon. Like him. You literally just come back from, where he is, Corfu, something like that. As he's landing on the plane, he just takes a trade. And he's like, oh, look like a six setup, tapped into, fuck off, lad, you're forcing trades here. It was like fucking 1 o'clock when he took it. And he's like, I'm like, lad, your psychology's fucked, you're forcing trades. You trade well out of hours, you trade at like 7 o'clock, which is like 3 p.m. New York time. Nah, not even. I don't know. I don't fucking. It's too late to be trading. And it's not even like he's trading PM session, he's just fucking taking random trades. So, oh, lad, the volume's dead, the volume. He's like, yeah, stop trading. He's like, nah. Sort your fucking head out, mate. Sort your dick out. Sort your head out. I did, unfortunately, but I didn't upload my video of me actually getting my third day. Or was it my second day, trading day? I don't know. Either way, I've got it. This was the trade. Let's go on the 1 minute. Thursday. This was the trade that I took. See, this is why I didn't go break even, but I did. There was a fair value gap here, a 15-minute fair value gap within this, and it just kept on rejecting. And as soon as we got to about here, I was like, I'm not doing this to pass. I'm not trying to get money out of this. I'm doing it for a trading day. But look at that. That's why we don't go break even. Literally fucking sniped at optimal entry. Sniped up to yeah. Never go break even. Never go and break even. Fuck that. Oh shit, we're absolutely dumping her. Oh, holy shit, we're just absolutely selling off here. What was this? Start a PM session. Yeah, I don't know. We had a couple SMTs as well, which I'm not proper happy about, innit? Don't like them SMTs, bro. Them SMTs are proper scary, innit? Um, I'm hoping it's not just a fat fucking sell-off, mate. Alright, let's get deviation fib on. Where have I drawn it to? From here to here. And yes, we'll put 2 on and try and see if we can figure it out. Knackered, mate. Absolutely knackered. I went out on uh, Saturday night. Got a bit too carried away. Walked home 6 miles at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I watched the sunrise. Kind of flexing it. I'm joking. It was because I didn't want to pay for an Uber. I'm a stingy bastard. I'm really fucking stingy. I spent something like 40 quid on alcohol, and I was like, why would I get an Uber back when I can just walk it? It's not that far. 6 miles. Like, it took me 2.5 hours at half two. Less than two. I got back at half four. So fucking what, 2 hours. And I had a fucking pace on me as well, like non-stop, just oosh, like the fucking Terminator, mate. It's pretty sick. I'm pretty bullish, like in general. Like, well, we are, yeah, we are. We're half expecting a fucking retrace here, though. People who are like, oh, Trump's crushed the economy. All right, this is what tariffs have done. Tariffs are incredible, and they don't fucking spike inflation. How sick is that? Who wants inflation? Not us. I'm saying that as if I'm American. But I'm saying I don't want it as a Brit. I don't want inflation. But that's why I'm not staying in England. Going to America, hopefully. I'm going to do a bit of travelling. I'm going to go Asia, South America, America. Fuck living in Europe. Well, when I settle down, I'll live in Europe. But the fucking taxes are retarded. Like, online's telling me that, like, parts of America aren't taxed. Like, there's no tax. And then some of it's like, oh, it's like the most taxed place in the world. I'm not going Dubai, I'll tell you that. Might go Monaco though. Right, we're seeing fucking bullish rejection. Have swept, but this liquidity, this hourly low. I know my chart looks a mess, but there is a method to the madness. Don't worry. I swore to myself I wouldn't be a Fibonacci trader. Look at me now, mom. Hmm. 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 Let's see what this baby does. I'm not overly confident in a long today though. Like, there's a lot of fucking just up. We are just up and up and up and up. We kind of need a fucking tank every now and then, you know? Can't just shoot straight up like and then down. I don't know. They might wait for NFP actually. NFP might fucking bring us down. But I'm just gonna trade what's presented. I'm kind of looking fucking sick though, for real. Sorry about that. I'm hoping. I'm hoping we sell. Really. I mean, I've got these for buys. Got these for TPs. Got these for TPs. I got I got fucking loads of TPs for buys. I've got loads of TPs for sells. I don't know what more you want, to be honest. Um, what I don't have is room for stop loss. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nasdaq has swept this sell side, but I'm not fancying just taking a short on ES. Like maybe maybe that's bad psychology, like missing out on a trade that I could take, get a fucking 3 minute retrace, sell, fucking call it there, stops above the retrace, you know? You can call that a retrace up here, 1 to 1. You know, I'm not really looking for something like that. Yeah, I mean, coming down anyway. Yeah, taking it out. Fucking hell. Got ran through. Just like your filthy mother. It is our last draw on liquidity, besides this fair value gap. It's a 15 minute. I mean, fucking hourly fair value gap's been tapped into. But there's just loads of fucking resting liquidity here. I don't know. Oh, I think I'm cooked for today. The triple top. That's the name of the formation. Now this isn't an exact one, but 1, 2, 3. Now we do have little highs coming out, but it's got to like perfectly go do. I don't follow it. I don't even know if what it means. I reckon it's just a bunch of fucking baloney. But I'm not married to my bias, but I want longs. I'm not into this fucking. I don't like trading gaps, like fair value gaps, like purely based off an FEG. I mean, so funny. The 15 minute. Oh no, the hourly makes it look like, oh right, massive fucking retest off that. Go on the 1 minute. It's like, not really. I mean, if you still follow breaker structure and shit like that, we are getting bullish pressure out, but I don't fucking care. Really? I don't know. I mean, fucking 15 minute FVG on this one. Ish. Skadoosh. I'm hoping we just take out these fucking highs. Because fucking can't take sells like this. I can't take sells like this. Maybe I'm not a good enough trader. Or I'm just not willing to take sells out of this. Like, if we carry on going down, I'm sure I could have said, oh, I could have fucking entered off of this. But I'm not gay, so I don't fucking. I don't know. Although, we have got a break of structure on the 1 minute, which is kind of cool. So, I'm praying for some bullish pressure. Okay, so we're obviously out of it, but there's a golden pocket for this range that ooh, what the fuck? I've got keep drawing on. Bear with. Where's, ooh, how fucking sick is that, mate? Sick as ass. Fucking cool, that, mate. Oh, we're getting some heavy bullish pressure now, which is pretty Pretty sick if you ask me. Here we go, boys. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is what we've all been waiting for. Now I'm hoping it's not just a fucking ginormous retrace to the downside. Ads has been stopped out in a long. Matty finally hit his. I think he re-entered off a loss and went short. Trading well before fucking market open. How come you dickheads? How can you trade before a session open? Are you trading a London session on the Nasdaq? Nah, good idea, mate. I feel like I'm pretty conservative when it comes to trading. Like, I don't even know if that's the right word. I don't even know if conservative is the right word. But I just feel like you can't. I'm just not gonna like. The other two lads, they're good at trading. Like, ads is like Adrian ads is way better than me. I'm probably better than Matty now. It's like, why are you fucking? Why are you trading this way? Granted, they are using a new strat, which is nothing to do with anything else we've learned. It's fucking like, well, it's using the same levels I've got on my screen, but they don't know. They're just taking like random trades. They're not profitable on backtesting with it. They're not profitable in the markets with it. They're about break even. They're just taking risky fucking trades. It's like, I'm not saying I'm some absolute don. I'm not saying I'm some fucking trade boss. I'm sure I'll have a few bad weeks or about a few bad months. Well, I will, but come on. At least mitigate the fucking. Ah, at least mitigate the fucking issue. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe they're cooked. Maybe I'm cooked. I don't know. I think we're gonna hit this golden pocket. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's just equilibrium. Who knows? Should we see the equilibrium? Ooh, nearly. She nearly did. Can snap. There we go. Maybe not. Maybe she didn't. Jesus. If I managed to pull off a trade in this, or if I lost a trade throughout this price action, I'd be so surprised. I'd be utterly surprised. Now, I suppose I could get another range out if I wanted to. I can't even tell which one's which here. Tell you what though, I'm dying for a fucking poo. I'm gonna go for. Oh, I'm back. So while I was having a shit, I had this drawn up for Golden Pocket, and we nearly hit it, and I fucking. Ooh. All I'm thinking is I don't think it's enough to trade off of. Like it's not my strat. Plus ES isn't looking like what isn't like it's gonna move. And I wouldn't be surprised if we retest the fair value gap again. Because we're in between these two fair value gaps, so we might see like really bullish pressure. Fucking hell, like a penguin. We might see really bullish pressure if we do tap into it. I mean, we got close. We got very, very close. Um, don't know. I really don't bloody know. But like, fucking hell. It is meant to be most recent swing low to swing high, which would be this one. And we are. Well, I mean, we did really come out of it, to be fair. But I don't know. It's still not enough for me to trade, and I can't sit on the charts all day. So I'm hoping it's not just a fucking consolidation one. I mean, I'm sure I could have taken a long off of. Was there a level down here now? I thought there was one. See, I mean, there's a level there, but it's like I'm just drawing that from random fucking. That is just a random level. So I can't really justify doing that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not overly confident that there will be a trade today, really. Fucking hell. Alright, lock in. Lock in. I mean, yeah, fucking ES is just loving this fair value gap. Look at this. We just absolutely bloody loving that. Getting taste for it. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if Nasdaq taps into this fair value gap as well. If we close outside of Golden Pocket, then I don't think it's very validated. But I don't know. I mean, we did close out of it, but we didn't wick out of this. If we see some like insanely bullish pressure out of this, but then I don't know. I'm not overly confident, so I don't think I'll trade it. Don't know whether to answer this. My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yeah. Right, I'm in. Let's see what the fuck happens. If I get stopped, like I'm fucking. Why have I left it to? Like I'm regretting this already. Why have I left it to my fucking funded? Start trying new ways to trade. If I get stopped out here, then I'm gonna fucking kill myself. It's only 1%, but yeah, I don't know. It's so bullish today. Like, obviously, you look at this, you go, that's not bullish, but I don't know. We are overdue for a retrace to the downside. So maybe my bias is just completely wrong. I'll probably, I'll take 50% at fucking TP1. If we hit it. TP1 is just going to be a 1-to-1. The fact that this candle that hit Golden Pocket initially is the same candle that tapped into this fair value gap for a third time. So I'm I'm kind of hoping we just fucking continue to reject well off of it. 'Cause that's what a fair value gap's meant to be, obviously. But who the fuck knows? Who knows? My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yeah. I don't want to go break even. If I lose, but I'm not going break even. Boom, modify. 5 lots off. Let's see where fucking. Let's find some more liquidity. I mean, there is none, really. I might leave like a con. Right, once we hit fucking. If we hit here, then I'm gonna fucking go break even, but leave like a contract on. Maybe two. Maybe two, but go break even, you know? My mind's telling me no, but my body is telling me yeah. I'm gonna half my stop loss. I am. Don't fucking attack me. I didn't know that was. Did that pause? Shit, I don't know if I recorded that. I'm still in. I am still in. I might just have to leave this trade soon before the volume just completely dies down. If we get fucking back up to this high, I think I'm just gonna exit because we are just ping ponging. Call me emotional, say whatever, but I don't know. I wasn't too overly confident on the trade to begin with, and to then just ping pong about. I mean, if we don't get a stop, this is pissing me off. This is really pissing me off. I think I'm just gonna fucking exit the trade. I'll be real. There we go. We got stopped out there. I'm up $36 on the day. So, yeah, that was the trade. Not overly happy about it, but what can you do? What can you do? Hello. So, I just wanted to go over a recap of just a quick one of the trade today. Well, not really a recap, more of a showing you where um the trade is at, basically. Bear with me. Uno momento. So we took it on Nasdaq. So this was the trade. I exited. I got stopped out at around this range. I moved my stop loss to about here. I chopped it in half basically, and only lost like £26, but made like £60 on the day. But I lost like 25. Um, I made $30 today. But then we would have came up and I'd moved my final TP, as in not final, as in I adjusted TP because of this chop to this high, and it did get swept. It must have been straight after. So yeah, we come down. I exited. I think it was here, and yeah. So and then we fucking rallied up, and yeah, I don't know. There was no way to foresee it. I mean, I was trading it like all day, and by the time it gets to, well, it would have been about 4:30. I'm not trading that. At least we made $30. I don't know about trading. Oh, look at this level. That level got heavily respected. I think there is something to these levels, but I'm never trading like that again today. Like, I didn't wait for a confluence that I needed. I didn't feel confident in the trade itself. I don't know. It just wasn't. Well, as you can see in the video, as soon as I enter, I'm not a happy bunny. But yeah, so that's the trade of the day. I shouldn't have traded, but hey ho. I don't know if I'll be trading tomorrow. I don't know if I'll have time to, but if I do trade, it won't be at home. But I'll make a recap. So, uh, thank you for watching. Fucking shut up.